Shagatam everyone, welcome to Bengalscape where we bring real stories from real people. This is your host Safardi and today we have a very special guest from Indonesia, Esther. How are you doing, Esther?
Hello, I am very okay. Although last night I was sad about losing my Instagram account, but yeah, let's talk about it later, and we will focus on language topic now.
Yeah, let's go. So, do you remember when we first started talking online? Like the first time we had our interaction?
Well, it was not clearly in my mind now, but
Yeah.
Facebook group. I just remember that it's my Facebook group, the language narration. There was a connection post that people ask that people want to connect with other people to learn each other language, and that's when I met Shaf.
Yeah, I remember. And then I think we went to Instagram, right?
Yeah.
So we will try to learn Indonesian language in 2 minutes,
Yes.
right? Let's start with the simple greetings like hello or hi. How do you say in your language?
If you say hello, or if you want to say hi, hi,
How do you say how are you?
apa kabar?
Apa kabar? Yeah, I
Ya,
remember that. And how do you say I'm fine or I'm good?
saya baik.
Saya baik or
Baik. B-A-I-K.
baik?
Baik. Ya.
Baik. Okay. Baik means good, right?
Yes.
Okay. Suppose you're eating something like food. How do you say delicious?
Delicious is enak.
Enak.
Ya. Or it's better to say lezat. Lezat. Lezat.
Alright. Lezat.
Ya.
Lezat. Okay.
We read chat in Indonesia. We read chat as J.
Lezat.
Yeah, yeah,
Oh, so
Jet.
you pronounce the Z or the Z as J.
Yeah,
Right.
J.
Got it. Okay, that's interesting. How do you say yes and no?
If you want to say yes, just say yeah. If you want to say no, just say tidak, tidak.
Tidak. Okay.
Yeah.
How do you say thank you in Indonesian?
Thank you is terima kasih.
Terima kasih.
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, don't say like this, but I often people in chat. I text with many people and they always say thank you or terima kasih with this emoji.
Oh, that's like a common gesture
Yeah.
to show respect, maybe, right?
Yeah, because they think it was very polite.
Right. So to the people watching from Indonesia specifically, terima kasih to everyone. Thank you for watching. And last but not least, we will end with how do you say see you or when you're saying goodbye, basically.
When do you want to say see you? It is sampai jumpa.
Sampai
I sampai jumpa.
Sampai jumpa.
Another phrase bye bye is to say dah dah. To say bye bye dah.
Oh, the da. Okay. Da.
Yeah, but
If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to Bengalscape.
see you.
See you.